So when lure fishing for these guys, you can basically cast the lure out and reel as far as you want, because these fish are pelagic predators. They basically stay on the surface, and as soon as they spot your lure, they'll chase it down. Even if you reel in really fast like this one. Oh, there's another one. Well, that one took it really close in and grabbed it. Just a little guy though. Yeah, this one's even smaller than the other one I got. And you see, these fish are very slender, so it's extremely hard to handle them because it's so thin. It's really hard to get a good grip of it. This guy actually cooperated very well. Oh, wants to go. Off he goes.